9 Millionaire Financial Habits I Wish I Knew in My 20s. Hey guys, I'm glad you are here for another video. Experience has taught me that if you want to build anything well, then you must start early. While most people start late in life and still do well, a majority will tell you that starting early, be it learning a skill, building a career, or even investing, gives you an added advantage of time and experience that can't be replicated later in life. It's like planting a seed early. It has more time to grow and flourish into something beautiful and fruitful. Everyone wants to be financially stable, especially as they approach their 40s. However, achieving financial stability requires discipline, hard work, and smart financial decisions. It is important to cultivate habits like consistent saving and investing to secure a comfortable future. In this video, I'll be sharing 9 millionaire financial habits I wish I knew in my 20s. You don't have to make the same mistake I did. You can start early by committing to these habits and build your way to a financially secure future. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please support us by subscribing because there's a lot to learn here for you. Investing in yourself. See yourself as a multi-million-dollar project. This means that you should invest time, effort, and resources in yourself to maximize your potential and achieve your goals. Just like any successful project, this requires planning, dedication, and continuous improvement. Don't spend time developing the outward and neglecting the inward. Dedicate a part of your income or allowance to a course that will improve your skills and add to your portfolio. Make this a monthly habit. Buy yourself things that will contribute to your personal growth and development, such as books or attending workshops and seminars. Remember that investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make for your future success. Documenting and tracking your income and expenses. This is another important habit to develop. Keeping track of your income and expenses will help you have a better understanding of your financial situation and make informed decisions about your spending and saving habits. Additionally, it can also help you identify areas where you can cut back on expenses and increase your savings. This is budgeting. If you want to learn more about budgeting, this channel has a video that shows you how to create your budget in 7 simple steps. Savings and investments. Keeping aside a part of your earnings is a crucial millionaire habit. If you spend it all now, you'll have nothing for later. By saving a portion of your income, you can create a safety net for unexpected expenses and invest in opportunities that can help you grow your wealth over time. This habit can also help you develop discipline and financial responsibility. It is wise that you automate your savings so that you won't be tempted to use the money. There are a lot of investment plans you can commit to. It is important to note that while investments do not yield immediate returns, they can provide long-term financial stability and growth. It is important to research and understand the risks and potential rewards of each investment plan before committing. Reading. Wealthy people have a reading culture. Studies have shown that reading is a common habit among millionaires and billionaires, with many citing it as a key factor in their success. Additionally, reading can provide a range of benefits, such as improving cognitive function and reducing stress. They often have access to a wide range of books and resources, which allows them to explore various topics and expand their knowledge. This way, they prioritize their personal growth and development. So spend less time on social media and commit to reading 1 book per month. Read far and wide. Avoiding debts. You cannot build wealth if you spend all that you have on paying off debts. Millionaires avoid debts at all costs. Instead, they focus on investing their money in profitable ventures and assets that generate passive income. By doing so, they can grow their wealth over time and achieve financial freedom. If you can't buy something now, choose a more affordable alternative or wait till you can afford it. Minimize borrowing and only do so in dire situations. Increase your streams of income. One habit to build in your early 20s is the habit of working. Developing the habit of working will not only provide financial stability, but also help build a strong work ethic that will benefit you in the long run. Exploring different job opportunities and acquiring new skills can also lead to personal growth and career advancement. Don't just depend on one job as a source of livelihood. Find freelancing opportunities or work part-time. Find out what services you can render around your neighborhood to make extra money. By diversifying your income streams, you can also reduce financial stress and increase your overall financial stability. Additionally, trying out new jobs and skills can help you discover your passions and strengths, leading to a more fulfilling career path. Take your health seriously. Health is wealth, they say. I strongly agree. Having good health is a fundamental aspect of a fulfilling life and enables us to pursue our dreams and aspirations. Investing in our health through exercise, healthy eating habits, and regular medical checkups is a wise decision that pays off in the long run. Exercise more in your 20s. Incorporate fruits and vegetables into your diet. Avoid harmful additions like smoking and drinking, as they have long-term effects on your health. You can save money that you would have otherwise spent on medical bills. Additionally, getting enough sleep and managing stress levels can also have a positive impact on your overall health and well-being. Taking care of your physical and mental health in your 20s can set you up for a healthier and wealthier future in the long run. Make wise associations. Your friendships say a lot about who you are and who you'll become. Millionaires keep a tight-knit circle of like-minded friends who spur them to do better. Your associations matter a lot. It's important to surround yourself with people who share your values and aspirations, as they can influence your decisions and help you achieve your goals. Building strong relationships with positive and supportive individuals can also improve your mental health and overall well-being. Family comes by chance, but friends come by choice. Remember to make the right kind of friends and be the right kind of friend in your 20s. Don't limit yourself. One habit to ditch in your 20s is always saying, "I can't." See your present limitations and setbacks as stepping stones rather than high walls. Choose to see the possibility in every situation, no matter how bad. By changing your mindset, you can develop a growth mindset that will help you achieve your goals and overcome obstacles. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, and focus on progress rather than perfection. Don't limit yourself by making excuses for your shortcomings. Instead, push yourself to do better, not just in your finances, but in every aspect of your life. Habits take time to build, so don't beat yourself up if you don't get it right the first few times. Just keep at it. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will Millionaire Habits. The trick is to keep doing it until it becomes a solid part of you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment on the habit you're currently building on. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.